Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Open the image in Photoshop and duplicate the background layer immediately to preserve the original. Work non-destructively by keeping a backup layer at 100% opacity. Zoom to 100% and inspect the text size in pixels to choose the right brush and selection tools. Use the lasso or rectangular marquee tool for quick areas. Use the pen tool for precise shapes around letters. Make a tight selection around the text margin to avoid removing nearby details. With the text area selected, choose Edit, Fill, and select Content Aware at 100% to remove the text automatically. Wait for Photoshop to blend surrounding pixels and inspect the result carefully. For small artifacts, use the Spot Healing brush set to about 30px and click or paint over imperfections. If the result looks repetitive, switch to the Clone Stamp tool with 50% flow and sample nearby texture to paint natural variations. Work in short strokes and resample frequently to match grain. After removing the text, refine complex areas using the Patch tool and drag a clean sampled zone over the defect. Match color and tone by applying curves or hue saturation adjustments and clipping them to the edited layer only. For edges and fine details, create a merged copy and apply high pass with 3.5 pixels, then set the blend mode to overlay for subtle sharpening. Finally, zoom out and toggle the duplicate layer to compare before and after, ensuring the edit looks seamless across the image.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.